There was pandemonium in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth today after armed robbers attacked a guardsman security team that was delivering money to a business place. Now, the incident left one man dead, 2 injured, and residents terrified. Details in this report.
However, it was very real, and it's a frightening reality the security guards, their families, and friends will have to live with. What should have been a routine money drop-off at a remittance outlet in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth Wednesday morning descended into chaos. The spent shells scattered across Main Street, Santa Cruz, tell part of the story of how armed men took on a 3-man team of guardsmen security personnel. All 3 guards sustained injuries in the shootout. The injured men were all rushed to hospital by the police. But 50-year-old Anthony Endem from Manchester later died. His 2 colleagues are said to be in stable condition in hospital. It is not clear if the gunmen were shot. Investigators say they escaped in a Nissan motor car which had license plates not registered to that vehicle. A resident who was in the town at the time recalled some of what he saw.
When me hear sound, the sound effects them, me figure unless say boy a bike. You know, bike man that rev up them bike and I hit a sound them. When me hear that first set run off, and then me thought, yeah, the shot them really start fire like crazy. Understand me? And me see man I run up and down. The security guard firing back on him, the gentleman them firing back on him. But it seems like more than one of them. You understand? But never pretty.
Another resident, frustrated by the ongoing level of criminality in the town, made this call to the authorities.
Security officer myself, I do the training, so I know the persons who got gunned down. It is very sad in our town of Santa Cruz that used to be so peaceful, used to be so calm, is no longer safe. As a matter of fact, it is now a safe haven for criminals. I'm calling on the Prime Minister and the Ministry of National Security to go back to the drawing board and figure out what has to be done. As a matter of fact, boycott Indicom. Because Indicom is one of the biggest reasons today. Because they don't support, they don't back police. You see, you don't see a member of Indicom here, but it is a police officer that does the shooting. So something has to be done. We're feeling saddened, we're no longer safe, our life is now in jeopardy.
This resident argues that part of the solution to the robbery problem in Santa Cruz is greater surveillance.
To me right now, Santa Cruz needs some camera up on the post them. That's the only way right now they can get rid of these things. Just get some camera up on the post them and no point blank say, you have the ice camera them, we can pick up things. And that need in Santa Cruz. Need, me not say want, it need, I mean urgent. You understand? And this thing, you get the camera them, they can automatically ease down the war and the crime them we are going down here. Alright, and me not lie, a piece of Tivoli me face this morning.
The police say they secured the guns of all 3 guards and the attackers did not make off with any cash. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
The police, in the meantime, are urging business owners in Santa Cruz to take additional steps to help protect their properties.
Ensure that they have proper security systems in place as it relates to their business on inside the premises and outside the premises. They are encouraged to do security assessment, ensure that they have proper camera systems in place, that just in case something like this happens, then there is something sufficient to assist the police with their investigation.